A frequently asked question on automatic machines is how to change the outlet valve seals and the brewing unit seal. So I'm just going to show you quickly. If you open the side door, you'll find that and just pull out the drip tray, you can remove your brewing unit, and the brewing unit tells you that you have to wash it every 7 days, degrease it every 500 cups, and also lubricate the brewing unit. So there's another video that shows how to lubricate the brewing unit, but I just wanted to show you the rubber seal that's on the brewing unit. That needs a little bit of lubricant so that it will last a lot longer. If you inspect it and if you find that there are any damages, then it won't brew properly. So just make sure that that is nicely lubricated, apart from the other things that you have to lubricate on the brewing unit. Now, another thing that can happen is there is an outlet valve that feeds the brewing unit, and that has two silicone seals. Those two silicone seals, also it's a good idea to just put a tiny little bit of lubricant on it, because every time you make a coffee and every time it rinses, it goes into the brewing unit to pump water, and it can over a period of time get damaged or wasted away. If you wanted to change the seals, it's quite easy. You can sometimes you'll be able to just cut it out and then insert it, or if you have T10 screwdriver, you can actually those 4 screws off, and this lid will come off, and it will be very easy to access the outlet valve, and you can actually change the valve as well, but mostly it is the seals that can go, and that if it actually gets damaged or wasted away, you'll find that water goes into the drip tray more and more. So if you're finding that your coffee amounts are reducing but your water in the drip tray is increasing, that is something that you need to check. I hope that has been helpful. There are videos on our website about lubrication and about degreasing and so on. So feel free to go on to our website, gaggiadirect.com. If you have any problems and if you wanted to talk to us, you can come on Zoom, and we are open every day, every weekday from 9 till 5. Thank you.